let me introduce the MD of Auto Hanger, Mr. Mohan Mariwala. Mr. Mariwala is the scion of the prestigious JV Mariwala Group, a group of companies engaged in the business of food ingredients, spices and spice extraction. Auto Hanger, the group's venture into automobile industry, is the brainchild of Mr. Mohan Mariwala. He established Auto Hanger Group in the year 1991. His guiding principles of service excellence, leading by example, integrity, innovation and commitment have been instrumental in making Auto Hanger the leading dealer of Mercedes-Benz in Mumbai. His zeal and enthusiasm for automotive technology made him a great leader who believes in mentoring efficient people and creating a very, very strong team. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Mohan Mariwala, who will address the audience.
Above all, first things first. Safety comes first and social distancing. So let's put our PPEs on. Good afternoon, friends. It's a pleasure having you with us today. And for the last 2.5 months, all of us at Auto Hanger have been restless. Because we've not been able to come across to you, get you introduced to the slew of new products and technology that Mercedes-Benz has in store for this year. And we have been waiting to get back into action. Now that we are back into action, what better way to do that than to today launching the new GLS. The new GLS is the S-Class of super full-size luxury SUVs. And it comes with a host of features. It's a complete new car ground up and with a new series of engines, highly interactive. And what better way to introduce the new GLS to you than to have Atul share this moment with us. Before I get on to that, I would also assure you, all our showrooms and workshops are now fully operational. We have taken ample precautions to ensure the safety of our associates, good health and security of our associates, and thereby all our esteemed customers and Mercedes-Benz fans is looked after. So safety, hygiene and personal protection comes first, and we look forward to receiving you at our showrooms. Thank you.
For this amazing words and giving, I think, all your your customers the assurance that they can very, very comfortably come back, get the car service and also buy a new car, especially the new GLS.
Absolutely.
So now let's see the new GLS. If you're requesting, let's please unveil the car.
Absolutely.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the new GLS. Thank you so much, Mohan. Thank you so much for this.
And I'll let Atul and Hezwin now take you through the features of this fine car. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And yeah, so thank you, Mr. Mariwala, for giving such amazing words and showing us how we have to go ahead. And now to let me know more about the car, let us know more about the car, can I please invite my friend, VP Sales and Marketing of Auto Hanger, Mr. Heswin D'Souza.
Hello, Mr. Gachri.
Hi, Heswin, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Amazing. So now that you all masked up, why don't you explain to me about this amazing?
Certainly.
First of all, beautiful car. Honestly, in the entire showroom, this looks the best, and obviously it's brand new. Yeah.
It is the best. Yeah. So this is the new GLS. This is the S-Class of SUVs.
Okay.
This is the pinnacle of luxury and comfort in a 7-seater.
See, I'll tell you one. I'll be very honest with you. All SUV people say 7-seater. I have my family is my dad, my mom, my wife, my 2 daughters, my driver and me. We went for a wedding, and I'm not telling you, I sat on my dad's Godi and went. I think Indians, we have these thunder thighs because these Godi for these drives only. I sat on my dad's Godi. Everybody says 7-seater. Is it actually a 7-seater? Can 7 dwarfs fit in it or 7 Hezwins can fit in it?
So you can vouch when I say you can have proper 7 Hezwins sitting in this car. Yeah?
Okay. But tell me one thing, to pull 7 Hezwins, you require a good, क्या about the engine here? Let's have a look at the engine. Oh my God.
So Atul, what you see over here is the heart of the car. You get 2 options in this. You get a 400 diesel, which produces 330 bhp, and you get a straight 6, which is a petrol, which is a 450, which produces 367 bhp.
Wow.
And
Yeah, sorry, sorry.
Yeah, and you got an EQ boost technology in the petrol, which gives you 22 more bhp. So you're talking about 0 to 100 at 6.2 seconds.
This is faster than a sports car, man.
Completely.
This is like a beast, an animal, man.
Absolutely.
367 bhp, guys. Means like 367 horses pulling this car. Yeah. This is great, yeah.
It's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, tell me one more thing. See, I have a farm in Lonavala.
Okay.
And I take my car there.
Okay.
But honestly, in the night, it's very, very difficult maneuvering on the road. You know, the road between the Ambi Valley, it just gets pitch dark.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah, so something about the, and you know what happens usually when I buy a car,
Okay.
then I have to go to this Milan Subway or Opera House and put all these halogen lights up, down, you know. So can I put these lights in the car?
No, Atul, you don't have to worry about that. Absolutely.
But why?
These are high performance LED. The range of these are 650 meters, which is close to 1 kilometer.
Hold on. 650 meters, I'll be able to see a dog on the road?
Absolutely 650 meters.
Wow, look at these wheels, man.
These are beautiful 21-inch alloys. If you see the profile, you have a staggered setup over here.
Means
the
what?
front staggered means you have two ranges. One is 275 is the front tire profile and the rear is 315.
Okay.
So this can take you off-roading as well as you can use it on track.
Okay. For people in Mumbai, off-roading is what we have every time in the monsoons because what happens, monsoons get this off-roading experience to your doorstep. So all your roads within 1 month of monsoons, off-roading, this is the best car for off-roading, yes.
Absolutely. Come Atul,
this is-
take you around.
Oh wow, what are these lights, man?
Yeah, so this is the all-new rear fascia of the car. If you look at the rear tail lamps, they are three-dimensional.
Yeah, so even though it is flat here, but it's still giving the
Yeah,
effect
so
of-
that's the absolute function of a 3D look.
You know, I think that's, you know, amazingly, you know, good because what happens in Bombay whenever you drive, forget Bombay, any city you drive now, I know people here, they just want to guzo in your car, you know, they want to like every time with this. I
Absolutely.
think this 3D is very important because now more than our social distancing, we have to
Absolutely.
maintain social distancing of the cars also. So great feature, man.
Completely agree with you. Atul, I'll just take you to the trunk of the car.
Oh yeah.
So you have a one-touch button. On that, it goes up and down. So now if you see, Atul, you have completely 7 seats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect.
Now, when you're traveling alone
Yeah.
or you want to take in luggage, all you need to do is press these 2 buttons.
Wow. No manual intervention.
Nothing.
Because usually
Absolutely.
what happens, you require, you know, a guy like Hercules to come and put your seats down and with the other people, nothing of that sort.
Absolutely nothing.
And this, how much can fit? This, I think,
This has-
I think a small car can fit inside.
Yeah, absolutely. It's 2400 liters.
Wow. This is great, man.
And Atul, one more thing
Huh.
is in case, getting in and getting out is an issue, all you need to do is just press this button.
Huh.
Okay? You have a rear red light that keeps blinking. The car is lowering down itself by 50 mm.
Oh yeah, I can see it going down.
Yeah, it is moving down. You can see.
Okay, so if I have to put something heavy
Yeah,
or something,
yes.
somebody has to. Yes, oh, this is great, man. Is this the first time like this feature is there in
This is the first time feature we've launched in the GLS.
Wow, beautiful. It's a great feature. I think very, very useful. These small features make this very, very useful.
Absolutely.
And how do I get all these seats back up?
So all you need to do is
Yeah.
just pull this button back and all the seats will come by default back to its original position.
Super. And this you press it.
Yeah, you have a easy tailgate, so you just press the button and everything shuts.
So usually when I go to my SUV, whenever I go and in the malls and the 5-star security and then the way they really bang it.
No need
You
of any
don't
of
even
those
close
things.
the door,
You can
okay.
use this function from inside as well. Yeah, this is what I talk about, the S class of SUVs. Please have a seat.
Thank you so much, Hazit.
Okay. So Atul,
Yeah.
what you see over here is a complete setup of luxury.
This is luxurious, man. I'm telling you, I never said being sat in such a big SUV, and we still have 2 more seats behind.
Yeah,
Forget that.
absolutely. Proper husbands can sit in the 2 seats behind. Yes. So Atul, when you sit in these seats, what are the options that you can use?
Okay.
One is you can move your seat in front.
Can I move mine also?
Absolutely, please.
Oh, okay. Fine.
And you can move it behind.
Okay. Okay.
So it's forward and backward. You also can recline your seats. Absolutely.
Okay.
So for a long drive, all you need to do is
Take it behind.
back.
Okay.
You have one more option. You press this button
Okay.
and you can push this seat right in
Oh,
the front.
the front there. So there's no fighting.
So,
Otherwise,
yes,
what
so-
happens? Really, aage karo, aage karo,
So
aage
no
nothing
more
of that.
body system anymore.
I think.
So now let me take you to the interesting part.
Yeah.
This is a part of Mercedes-Benz MBUX.
Okay.
So with this, you can control everything, right from your panoramic sunroof.
Okay. Wow. Up, down. Everything through this tab.
Absolutely, to your blinds, which go up and down. You can control your AC. You can control your ambient lights. You can control just about anything from here.
This is so good. Now, in fact, it looks more spacious now with this.
Absolutely. With this open, you'll never feel claustrophobic ever. And especially you'll love it in the rains because you can see the drops falling on you.
Absolutely. This is beautiful. Seriously, this is really, really good. So tell me, with this thing, I can also control all the sound, the speaker system.
Everything. Your driver, you don't need to hassle him at all.
Okay.
All you need to do is touch it from here. You can control your music, your display, your ambient lights. Every possible option which works in the front can work from the rear.
You know, in my case, I am the driver and I go crazy when both my daughters behind are fighting. Papa, put this music, no, put this music, this, that. I need that. I'm feeling cold, you're feeling hot, I'm feeling cold. God, I just get crazy just driving them. This is a great system where they can sit there, give it and let them control what they want
Absolutely. Even this is a 5-zone AC.
to do. Okay.
So you have driver, co-driver,
This is okay, yeah.
center row,
Four.
as well as the back. So it's completely 5-zone.
This is also actually very good because what happens is that usually the people behind are always complaining. If you're feeling hot, you put on the AC fast and the guys in the front feel cold. So everybody has their own zone.
So
This
you
is
have
great.
the controls from here, you have controls from here as well, and controls from front. So you can take care of all your functions from anywhere.
Very good.
You also have a little wireless charging over here.
Okay.
You also have a little place to keep all your equipment. You also have utility slots to charge your mobiles. You have USB slots over here.
Okay.
Everywhere you have USB slots in the car. In front, back, 11 close to 11 USB slots in the entire car.
11 USB slots in the
Absolutely,
car.
11
My
USB
God, I don't think we have so many phones to charge them. I think we can get phones from others. If you charge करने चलो आ जाओ हमारे गाड़ी में charge करो. Charge. This is beautiful. I want to see something in the front here.
Come on, let's go. Okay, so Atul, this is a new function of Mercedes called MBUX, which is you can actually have a conversation with the car.
No way. Seriously?
Yes, absolutely.
Show me.
Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
ambient lights to blue.
Okay, I am changing the color.
Wow, you got changed to blue. Wow.
Absolutely. Atul, you want to give it a shot?
Okay. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
ambient light to green.
Okay, I am changing the color.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Absolutely. So this is only one option. So you have multiple options. Like you can say, repeat the same way, and you can say, you know, temperature. You can also change your channels. You have multiple options that you can utilize to MBUX Plus. It's a touch screen. So if you look out here, you have a charging option as well over here.
One more wireless charger.
Absolutely, wireless charger. So you have two wireless charger, and again a USB port out here in front as well.
Okay.
This also you can connect it to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you're using an Apple phone, all you need to do is plug it in over here. It will face whatever your face is in the car. You have the same display out here.
Wow, this
Yeah.
is great.
So this works on Android as well as on an Apple. Even if you look out here, this is a complete Napa steering wheel. Okay, you can adjust it up and down
Okay.
based on what is your convenience. It also it's
Oh, we can get a-
telescopic. Yeah,
wow.
it comes out. If you look at the screen, you can also change the display. So you can have different kind of looks onto your cluster. This is a sporty look.
Okay.
Then you have a progressive look which you can change. So these are the
Lovely.
different kind of displays. You have three
Beautiful,
different options. So you
beautiful.
can keep changing everything. This is your information system of your car. Once you switch on the car, you can get your consumption, you can get what are your vehicle dynamics, you can see when is the next service due, you can see the height of the car, the amount of braking, the amount of acceleration, you have your RPM meters out here, you have various functions in the car.
This is great. This big screen is actually like a cockpit. It's like an aeroplane cockpit.
Absolutely, absolutely. I hope you like the car, Atul.
It's beautiful. Yeah, it's just that you have the S class. There's the S class of SUV. Then you have the C class. Then you have the E class. I think what I have to go is right now start with the A class. A for Ankad and A for Atul. So yes. So thank you so much. But no worry, I will come one day. This is a motivation for me to one day buy the S class of the SUVs. Thank you so much, Hazin. Thank you so much for this amazing demo of this beautiful beast of an animal you guys have made, man. Beautiful. So yes guys, as you saw, this is beautiful, the GMS SUV, and people who don't know, I think that coming to know what I was talking behind the desk, I'm a Sindhi. There's a very proud Sindhi. I'm a member of the Gymkhana Airport in this year. For the rest of you, it's the National Sports Club of India, but for us Sindhis, there's the National Sindhi Club of India. I love going to that place. Wherever you go there, you see a whole Sindhi people with excessive body hair. Thick bushy eyebrows, hair coming out of the chest, hair coming out of the ears, your chest coming out of the hair. But it is here at NSCI that these Sindhis are given such a big contribution to the world, which each of you uses whenever you go out to eat. And this contribution is based on simple mathematical ratios of 1/2, 2/3, and 3/5 when it comes to suits. Whenever you have please give a round of applause for Sindhis. Yeah, get into it. Let me tell you how it happened. Long time ago. See, I'm so old that we use the word long also once. Long time ago, there were 13 of us children and we went to NSCI and we ordered our own individual sweet corn chicken soup. The waiter took our order, went to the head of the table with a big Sindhi yarn. She asked him, "Bacha, tu kya order kiya? Iसे करो, ये so इसे काम करो, इसे cancel करो, make it 3/13." 3/13? Seriously? How could I do that? What kind of measuring instrument do they have in the kitchen? I can imagine the chef who's a computer scientist, sitting inside the kitchen, surrounded by computers and calculators. His only job is to calculate these complex mathematical ratios. And he must be getting dreadfully in the kitchen, waiting for the next waiter to come and ask him, "How much order last Sunday?" And he says, "Sir, tomato soup 5/23." But this has left a huge mark on me. Even now, sometimes at work, I go alone. I always order my soup 1/2, even if I'm eating alone. Because when you order a soup 1/2, you don't get 1, you get 1.2. 1.25 makes a difference to all of us. Yeah, I'm married, I'm married 26 years. I have 2 daughters now. My elder daughter is 25, my younger daughter is 23. My wife's in her mid-40s, trying to get into her 20s. And here I am 52, looking like I'm in my 70s. And this white hair is not because of less melanin, it is because of more expenses. Every time a child makes an expense of 8.1 I'm not joking. Every day in the morning at 8:30, me and my wife open the ATM counter in our bedroom. And every 2 minutes, they comes, take money and goes on. And I've seen that one of my child has overcome the limit. She borrows money from the other end of interest. Yeah, I got my elder daughter selling a 5 rupee note to my younger daughter at 600 rupees. Honestly, as a Sindhi, I was very proud of it. But also very upset. Because I said, "Just 550 रुपये मेरे को दे देना, इससे 600 रुपये देने की क्या जरूरत है?" But yeah, man, this because of this pandemic, we didn't go for any holiday. The last year I went to America for holiday. Yeah. And the only reason I could afford an American holiday is because the year before that, both my children didn't take any private tuitions. Because how these private tuitions just take away all our money. At our time when we studied, somebody taking private tuition, there was a beautiful word for it, and that word was called duffer. Don't go to his house to play, is a duffer. Family full of duffers. But now things have changed. If your child doesn't get into the first batch of private tuition, then your child is considered government. And I remember that in my 2 years back, my daughter came to me, Papa, my maths teacher is going to the Amalfi coast, the south coast of Italy for holiday. Have you taken us? I said, Bacha, I don't have money, I go to the west coast of India, Goa, but you know how excited you are, going for a 1 month long American holiday. But the excitement turned into fear as soon as the flight was off, because my wife started talking to his family in his room. And I knew after a few pleasantries, the actual question would have come out. Aapne ticket kitne ke liye? And if our ticket would have been one rupee more expensive, how would have been had? Full day sitting on Twitter watching, why did we get some better tickets? But no, our tickets were the cheapest. We flew Bombay, New York, San Francisco. But while coming back, the tickets for San Francisco to Calgary, Canada. Then we were given 4 horses to Alaska. Then we took 4 boats to Australia to the container ship, reached Sri Lanka, crossed the bridge, Burman and went for Ram, reached Kanyakumari, walked to Chennai, took Chennai Express and came back. It took us 31 days to come back, but these were the cheapest tickets and that's what I understood our life. Last time I bought my dollar at 71 rupees. Crazy, $1 US, 71 rupees. Throughout the flight to America, I was teaching my family multiplication because of 71. 71 months is 71. 71 is okay, we can buy it. 71 days are crazy, it's cheaper in Mumbai. 71 for $100, that's not Mumbai, that's not Mumbai. And I don't know you guys, but whenever I go for a foreign holiday, I cannot sleep. No, it's not because of the soft bed, it's not because of the soft pillow. Just the thought of missing the free buffet breakfast keeps me awake one night. At 5:30 in the morning, I'm waking up, my family would do, it is the best meal of the day. And remember, whenever you're traveling abroad and going to the breakfast table, always carry the backpack with you. Because, because it is a birthright to steal from that free buffet breakfast table, bread, butter, croissant, cheese slices, muffins, and put it in the backpack. And let me tell you, it's not only Indians, Americans, Chinese, Europeans, everybody does it. Because you got to do it, because especially when you have children, you got to do it. Because of idiots who eat anything early in the morning, and you reach your first expensive tourist place, Papa, bhook laga. That's the time you remove your stolen food and give it to them because the Indians know chori ka maal is always weaker. Yes, on the American holiday last time, I went to New York, Boston and Chicago, which means I have relatives in New York, Boston and Chicago. Because see, Indian relatives don't talk to them throughout their lifetime, but American relatives, you must love them 71 times more than your Indian relatives. That's the equation. And I remember, when I was going from here, I had to, drive close to 900 miles in this Yosemite National Park. As my Gujarati friends, I had to call it Yashomati National Park. And then we were going from people were telling me, are you mad driving in America? You would drive on the wrong side of the road, high speeds, crazy. And when I reached America, my American friend, of course you can drive. You have driven in Mumbai. You have negotiated traffic in Sakinaka. You can fly an Airbus A380 blindfolded. But honestly, driving in America was so boring. Everybody is sticking to their lanes, nobody is honking, no auto rickshaw suddenly taking a U-turn in front of you, no bike guy coming and taking a car from the left. Indian roads have so much character and depth in them. Indian roads, they test your driving skills, your marital skills, your parental skills, your pregnancy skills, your modeling skills. Have you got anything to the traffic signals over here? You can choose a product, give it back to him, take it back to him, again give it back to him. I all know that poor rascal is running next to the car at 50 kilometers per hour. One more thing guys, if you go to America, there will be lockdown gets over. You can leave India without your children, without your wife, without your passport, passport is ready. But one thing you cannot leave India, especially when you are going to America, is the lota. See, so all we Indians, we cannot use tissue paper, we have to use water in the morning. Because the Indian food is so spicy. What if the tissue paper catches fire in the morning? How do we do? See, I remember I went to London 2-3 years back and I had one of those tissue paper days and we got on that hop on, hop off London Tool bus. And every time that bus crossed the river Thames, bus Okay friends, so that was the Atul Khatri. And now I would like to go back on stage, back again, Heston and Mr. Mohan Mariwala to say a few final thank you words.
Guys, thank you for being with us. Thank you for listening to us. I hope you enjoyed a unique way of bringing you the insights of the wonderful new GLS. As I said, we are open, showrooms are open, we are waiting for you. We are also online. We will put links down here for you to get easy access to. Our objective is to make the entire process as contactless as possible. You can sit in the comfort of your home, take a look at the car, get it test driven, and carry out the entire transaction online. So do visit us online. We have lots of excitement for you. Thank you for being with us. Thanks, Atul. Thank you, Ezra.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.